Okay, now we have them. These are blue-faced honey eaters. They are gorgeous. They usually stick together in a bit of a group. Some of them look like they've got blue across their eyes and the others look like it's green. So not sure whether that means female, male, or maybe even just a younger bird. But they really like the bread as well. Again, I don't give them very often, usually just on a weekend. I just put out the bread that has gone a bit stale, and these guys just love it. And I find as soon as I get a couple there, they tend to call all of their mates to tell them that there's a good feed going on. It's taken me a while to actually get this close. I've probably had to stand out here for about 10 minutes or so and just very slowly try and get close enough that I've got some good footage for you to see. They do shy away pretty quickly, but they're a real joy to see in the garden.